Greetings, my fellow Jamaicans. As the cool breeze of the Christmas season fills the air, there's a special spirit of love that touches every corner of our island. From the bustling town centres and parks adorned with twinkling lights, to homes filled with the sweet aroma of sorrel, Christmas cake, and gungo rice and peas. This is a time when Jamaica truly comes alive. The Christmas season also carries profound significance for our faith. We celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, who through his words and deeds taught us the values of love, humility, and compassion. So even as we celebrate, let us also reflect on these teachings and find ways to practice them in our daily lives. It is the vibrant traditions of Jamaican Christmas that make it so unique and special. The excitement of Grand Market, where the streets come alive with colour and energy. The rhythms of Jonkonnu, invoking the spirit of those who came before us. The simple joys of sharing a Christmas meal where every plate carries not just food, but love and community. These traditions are a testament to our creativity, our resilience, and the enduring desire for unity. Christmas in Jamaica is more than just a celebration. It reinforces the best of who we are as a people. It is a time to reconnect with the values that bind us together as a nation. That spirit of love is in the sound of the Christmas carols sung with heartfelt joy at church services. It is in the laughter shared with family and friends at gatherings. And it is in the giving to help those in need. Therefore, as we embrace the joy of the season, we must not forget those who face great stresses and challenges in their daily lives. We cannot neglect families that can't afford to put a meal on their table, much less to buy gifts for their children. We must reach out to elderly citizens who may feel a little lonely at this time of year. Let us all extend the loving hand of kindness and compassion to our fellow Jamaicans, ensuring that the light of the season reaches every Jamaican heart. Whether by donating food, sharing what we have, or simply offering words of comfort, every act of generosity makes a positive difference. Christmas should be an especially magical and memorable time for our children. Every child deserves to feel safe and loved during this festive season. Let Christmas remind us of our duty as parents, as neighbors, and as a society to shield them from harm and ensure that they can dream and thrive. May the memories created this Christmas inspire in our children love for their country and let them strive to build a brighter Jamaica. As we look ahead to 2025, let us carry forward the unifying spirit of Christmas into the new year. With faith in God and love for one another, we can overcome our challenges and build a better future for all Jamaicans. It is through this collective effort that we will create a nation of opportunity, of justice, and progress for all. And so, my fellow Jamaicans, we celebrate this Christmas with gratitude for the blessings we have received and with hope for a brighter tomorrow. I wish for you and your families a Christmas filled with love, peace, and laughter. Walk good, Jamaica, and Merry Christmas.